How to add money to Afterpay account. Afterpay doesn't work like a traditional bank or wallet, so you don't need to add money to an Afterpay account. Instead, you link your Afterpay account to a debit or credit card. Here's how to manage payments. 1. Link a payment method. Add a debit or credit card to your Afterpay account. This card will be charged for each installment. Open the Afterpay app, then go to Account and select Payment Methods and add your preferred debit or credit card. 2. Make payments. When you make a purchase, Afterpay will automatically schedule your installment payments and charge the linked card. If you're looking to pay off an installment early, you can do so through the Afterpay app. Open the Afterpay app. Select the order you want to pay off early. Choose to pay now using your linked card. But you don't load money directly into Afterpay like a prepaid service. Thanks for watching.